How to change the email sending limit in DirectAdmin. You can increase your email sending limit. However, you cannot increase it higher than the limit set by your server administrator. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Email Manager section, click Email Accounts. You can manage your email accounts from this interface. Here it displays the list of email accounts. Click the plus sign of that particular email account, whose limit you wish to increase. Click Change Limits. Now enter the desired quantity in Send Limit input box, and click Save. Success! The email sending limit has been changed. Now you know how to change the email sending limit. Thank you for watching.